disappointing day so far. There's been a lot of cloud around, some rain as well, but it should improve a little bit this afternoon. But you must admit it's pretty muggy out there, especially in eastern counties of England. Although thankfully as our front wiggles its way eastwards, it should start to freshen up. And tonight, well, it will be much more pleasant, much more comfortable. And you can see that the next few nights look set to stay on the cool side for many of us. Maybe a hint of something a little bit warmer through this coming weekend. In fact, the weather does look as though it could take a turn for the worse this weekend. We're keeping an eye on developments. Just take a look at this. If it does pan out, it could be very nasty, a low whistling its way in across the UK. As I said, some uncertainties at the moment, but if it does pan out like this, we could see gales and we could see some very heavy rain working north across the UK. So something just to bear in the back of your mind. Well, weather-wise across Europe, some lively weather as well. We've had some fairly potent thunderstorms for the Eastern Alps so far today, also across the Balkans. There'll be a few more coming and going in the next few days as well. But I should think for many of the Western Alps, down through the Pyrenees, across the Balearics, it'll stay dry and sunny. The Eastern Med faring well with some sunshine as well. And then as we head away west into the Canaries, 27 Celsius, I should think, on the cards for Tenerife. That's into the low 80s. So not bad holidaying weather then. But for us, well, it's not too great. There's a lot of cloud around. There's still some rain as well across northern parts of England, but it's starting to become a little bit lighter and more patchy now. The cloud is tending to lift a little bit. And up into Scotland, there's just a little bit of rain around the Orkney Islands and also up into the Western Isles. So here too, a gradual improvement through the day. The cloud just lifting a little bit, allowing some bright or sunny spells. There'll also be a few showers, I think particularly in Scotland, a few sharp showers this afternoon, well scattered though elsewhere. Now, temperature-wise, as I had said, we're still hanging on to some of that warmth in eastern counties of Scotland, also eastern England, maybe up to 25 or 26 Celsius around Cambridgeshire and Lincolnshire. But out to the west, just a little bit fresher, around 19 to 21 degrees. That fresher air would eventually spill its way right across the UK through tonight. So what we're looking at is a much more comfortable night tonight, down to around 9 in Scotland and northern England, much more comfortable in the south at 10 Celsius. And with that fresher air, it does mean it'll be a pretty good start to the day tomorrow. It'll be clearer, there will be some decent sunny spells. But you can see out to the west already, we'll see more weather systems coming in. Some pretty wet weather up across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England. And that showery weather will spill gradually eastwards for many of us. So a day of sunshine and showers, and it will be fresher. And that's the forecast. Bye-bye.